Okay, so everybody, again, we're talking about the four types of sentences. So our first one is declarative. Declarative makes a statement and it ends with a period. Imperative, it gives a command and it also ends in a period. Interrogative, it asks a question. And exclamatory is like excitement or strong feelings, okay? So everybody put your pencils down, because I just want you to look. So I'm going to do a couple of notes out of your book, but I want you all to write down these notes after I do them, okay? Because I want y'all to pay more attention, okay, to writing. So put your pencil down. Okay, so we're going to look at examples 1 through 5 on page 4 in our language book, okay? 1 through 5. So y'all look on page 4. We're going to look at 1 through 5 at the bottom. Okay, so number 1, and you're going to add these to your notes in a minute, not right now. It says, how deep the snow is. And so the directions here, it says, they want you to identify what type of sentence it is. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. They want you to tell you what type of sentence it is. So one thing you can do, everybody, to help you tell what type of sentence it is you can look at the punctuation. Now, if it ends in a period, that means you got to decide if it's declarative or imperative. But if a sentence ends with a question mark, automatically you can tell it's an interrogative sentence. If it ends in an exclamation mark, you can tell it's an exclamatory sentence. Everybody got that? So, look at this sentence right here. How deep the snow is. What does this end with?
Exclamation point.
That's right, an exclamation mark. So that means this is an exclamatory sentence. And I'm going to say EX. That's good enough for me. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Two says, where are my warm gloves? So again, the first thing you can do, everybody, to help you kind of see what type of sentence it is, look at your punctuation mark at the end. So what does this end with?
A question.
Question mark. Okay, so just look at your list. The only thing that ends with a question mark is an interrogative. Okay, so this is an interrogative. So I'm abbreviating to write INT for interrogative. So everybody got that so far? Let's look at number 3. Number 3 says, please wear your snowshoes.
Good show.
Oh, thank you. Here. Okay, now this one right here, it actually, it ends in a period. So since it ends in a period, you got 2 to look at. It's either going to be a declarative or imperative sentence. Now, this is what I tell students to kind of help them remember what an imperative sentence is. An imperative sentence is kind of like your mom telling you to go do something. So somebody give me some example what your mom tell you to do sometime. Come on, what your mom tell you to do?
Wash the dishes.
That's an imperative sentence, okay? What else?
Clean your room.
Clean your room, that's an imperative sentence.
Make sure you get your clothes. Keep your clothes clean.
Okay, imperative sentence. What your mom tell you to do? What's something she tell you to do?
Look at my clothes.
Okay, say it again for me.
Go find my clothes.
Okay, that's an imperative sentence. Tell me something your mom and dad tell you to do.
Clean up the house.
All right, all of those are imperative sentences. So think about imperative sentence kind of like somebody telling you what to do, bossing you around, giving a command. Your parents telling you something, or like an older brother or sister telling you to do something. Most times they're going to tell you, when they're telling you to do something, they're using imperative sentences, okay? So imperative sentences ain't not hard really to figure out. Now look at this right here. Please wear your snowshoes. Is that telling somebody to do something? Yeah, what are they telling this person to do? Yeah, wear your snowshoes. Even though they got the word please, they just asking you nice, but they still telling you to do something, right? Okay, so this is imperative. Okay, so let's look at number 4. right, number 4 says, we did not expect snow in May. Okay, sit up. Okay, now, is this telling somebody to do something? We did not expect snow in May. Is this telling somebody to do something?
No.
No, it's not. So if it's, y'all, first of all, okay, go back. It ends in a period. That means it's either declarative or imperative, right? So if you can say, okay, this not telling anybody to do anything, then it's going to be a declarative sentence. Everybody got that? So this is declarative. Okay, so copy all that down. And my people that are at home, you have a worksheet online. So make sure that you do that language worksheet. That's online. Thank you.
You look at the number 5 too?
Mm-mm.